A warm hello to the little future of our country. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you are fine and studying very well at your school, at your homes. So, as you know, we have completed our chapter Chiku and the puppies. So, today we'll solve our exercise. So, as I'm instructing you, do same way. Okay. So these you are seeing the word meanings. You have to write this in your English fair notebook. Clear? Put the date, put the day, and chapter number, chapter name, heading, word meaning. Make 3 columns like this. Words, meaning, Hindi meaning. First word is puppies. Puppies means what? They are the small kids of dogs. So small dogs. कुत्ते का बच्चा. Clear? You will write the Hindi meaning also. Streets. What does the street mean? Street means roads. Road means सड़क. Parked. Kept a car. Parked where we keep our car. गाड़ी खड़े करने का स्थान. Howled. Cry out loudly. Howled means to cry very loudly. Cheek. Flood. To fill with large amount of water. Flood I told no, a place where it get covered with the water means बाढ़ आ जाना. Sixth, overjoyed, very happy. Overjoyed means बहुत खुश होना, मस्त. Clear? So you will write same way as I have written here. Next, what you will do? You will just make sentences from the words puppies, streets, parked, howled, flood and overjoyed. Okay, you will make sentences from these words also by yourself. Clear? Now take your book. Now here it is asked, understanding the text. Take the correct answer. First, Chiku had dash puppies. How many puppies Chiku had? Very good, 3. So take here 3 and write here 3. THREE. Write here 3. Next, during the afternoons, Chiku and her puppies dash. What they do? Jumped on the cars, howled and barked, slept under car. So during afternoon, they slept under car. So write here, tick on the slept under cars and write here slept under cars. Third one, the 4 of them ran towards a tree under the shade of nearby shop into a house where no one lived. So where they ran after escaping from the flood? Okay, under the shade of the nearby shop. So take on under the shade of a nearby shop. Take on this and write here under the shade of a nearby shop. Clear? Now come to the next page. Next page is match the lines to make a complete sentences. Now we have to match the lines to make a complete sentence. The name of the puppies were. What were the names of the puppies? Yes, very good. Chinu, Bhalu and Topu. So match it here. The second one, the place where Chiku lived with her puppies were. Where they lived? Very good. They lived in Pittur. Tick it here. One night there was thunder and lightning. Match it here again. The puppies started to howl and bark. Match it here. Clear everyone? The names of the puppies were Chinu, Bhalu and Topu. The place where Chiku lived with her puppies was Pittur. One night there was thunder and lightning. The puppies started to howl and bark. Clear everyone? Take the match all these. Clear? Now come here next. Think and answer. What words would you use to describe Chiku? Now here it is asked that what words you will use to describe Chiku. Chiku was who? Mother of 3 little puppies. So we have to use the word. What word we can use? Now here is the answer. Chiku was brave, strong and loving. So what words would you use to describe Chiku? Chiku was brave, strong and loving. Clear? Now next question. Are you scared of thunder and lightning? What do you do when it rains heavily? So the answer is yes, I am scared of thunder and lightning. When it rains heavily, I just sit inside my house and watch the rain from window. Clear? Here we have when it thunders or it lightens very loudly, you get scared, na? You get scared, so you will write here yes. And after that, what you do? You watch the rain from sitting inside the home. Clear? So this is the answer. You will write this in your copy. Clear, everyone? Okay, come to the book again. Choose the opposite words of the highlighted words. Now we have to choose the opposite words of the highlighted words. Chiku was happy now, angry, sad or joy. We have to use the opposite word of happy. What will be the opposite word of happy? Very good. It will be sad. So take on the sad. The bottle is empty. So what will be the opposite word of empty? Okay, it will be full. Take on the full. My dress was dirty. Now what will be the opposite of dirty? Clean. Take on clean. The field is wet after the rains. The field is wet after the rain. So what will be the opposite word of wet? Yes, take on the dry. The classroom was noisy. Noisy. What will be the opposite word of noisy? Quiet. Take on quiet. Clear, everyone? Come to the next page. Match the pictures to form word pair. Now we have to form the word pair. So what will be of the lock? First one is lock. It will be key. Lock and key. Yeah, when there is a lock, we always need a key to open. So it will be the pair one. Needle, thread. You have seen your mama when she stitches something, she needs needle and thread. So there will become a pair. Needle and thread. Shoes will be paired with the socks. You never wear shoes without socks. So they are the pair. Bread and butter. We always eat bread and butter, bread and jam. Okay, we doesn't eat bread and paratha. No, we only eat bread and butter. So they will make the pair. Clear? Now moving on. Circle the naming words in these sentences. Now we have to circle the naming word. So first, Chiku had 3 puppies. So what will be the naming word? Chiku and puppies. Circle them. Chiku and puppies. I did not get my blue pencil. Now, what will be the naming word? Pencil. Because it is a name of thing. Circle on pencil. The bus went very fast. What will be the naming word? Bus. Because it is a thing. Rini had a small cat. So what are the naming word? Rini and cat. Because Rini is a name of person and cat is a name of animal. So circle it. Clear? Now move to the next page. Now here, read these sentences. Note the use of he, she and it. Ravi is a good boy. He goes to school every day. So Ravi is a good boy. Ravi is the name of a boy. So for the boy we use he. Always we use he, not she. She we use for girls. And for the boy we use he. He used to play. He is used in the place of Ravi. We cannot use Ravi is a good boy. Ravi goes to school. Ravi brushes. Ravi eats something. Ravi play. We cannot use everywhere Ravi. So instead of Ravi, we can use he. We can use he. He is used in place of boys or man's name. Okay, it is used in the name of under the name of boys or man's name. Now next, Sia is playing in the park. Now she is happy. Sia is playing in the park. She is see here. So for the girls we use she. Clear, everyone? For the girls we use she. She is used in place of Sia. She is used in place of girls or women's name. We use she in the place of girls or women's name. We will not use the name everywhere. We can use she, he. Okay. I have a ball. It is red. For the thing we use it. Clear everyone? For the thing we use it. The dog is very small. It needs a home. Okay. It is used in the place of ball and dog. Yes, you have seen here it is used in the place of ball and dog. He, she and it are used in the place of naming words. Ravi, Sia and ball. Okay. It is used in the place of naming words. He and she are used in the place of names of peoples. It is used in the place of names of animals and things. Clear? Animals or things we can use it. Now here is an example. Fill in the blanks with he, she or it. Mia loved chips. Dash ate a whole packet of chips. Okay, Mia is who? Girl. So what we will use? She. Right here she. The cat came to me in the morning. She was hungry. Right here she. Okay, wait. Instead of the animal, we'll use it, not she. Don't write she. Write here it. John loves to play football. He plays with his friend. John is the name of boy. So here it will be he. Rama's car is new. It is blue in color. Car is the thing. We will use it. My father comes home in the evening. He is very happy to see us. So my father is a man. So we'll use he. So first she, it, he, it, he. Clear? Okay, come to the next page. Read these words aloud. Circle the words in which the vowel A sounds same as the tail. Underline the words in which vowel A sound a name as a cat. Okay. So we have to circle. Circle race because it is same as tail. Circle this race. Pan we will underline. Fan also underline. Hat also underline. Date also. Date we will circle. Chat underline. Whale we will circle. Chat also underline. Apple circle. Man underline. Tray also underline. And pail circle. Clear? Come to the next page. Read these words aloud. Write the words in which the vowel E sounds same as in the 10 in the pink balloon. Write the words in which the vowel E sounds same as tree in the green balloon. Okay, we have to write 10 which is same as 10 in the pink one and which is same as a tree in the green one. So here it will come hen. Write hen, H-E-N, hen. Pen, nest, get. And here in the green balloon, free, teeth, cheetah and me. Okay, moving on. Read these sentences aloud. Circle the words in which I sound the same as the pen and underline the words in which I sound same as a smile. So we have to do the underline and circling again. So my puppy eats only rice and milk. So it is same as smile. So underline it, rice and milk. The king went to the palace in the morning. So king will be underlined. There is a small house at the top of the hill. Hill will be also underlined. Manoj keeps his things in the tin box. So tin will be circled. The knife and the bucket of the ice are kept on the table. So knife will be underlined and ice will be circled. Okay. So it is the end of your exercise today for this much itself. Thank you for listening me. Complete your exercise and submit it to me. I hope you understood the session. If you face any difficulties, please ask me in the group. And stay safe at your homes. Thank you everyone.